Hello everyone, welcome to channel Made in Lombok. Today is a special video. We're gonna make some drink. It's made from the original vanilla syrup. But the difference is, I'm gonna cook with my friend. I'm gonna make this drink with my friend. He was a doctor from the government hospitality. So here is. Yeah, this is my friend. The name is Dr. Teguh. So, Dr. Teguh, we're gonna make some drink. This is very good. It's made from this beans, yeah. It's vanilla beans. It's organic. We have a grow in our farmer. So this is the special one, and it's gonna be the special drink. I'm gonna promise you, you never tasted before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's start it. Right, guys, so the first of all, the important thing, we're gonna use this vanilla bean. But the first one, we need 130 of water. This is a pure water, or you're gonna use something water, it's up to you. The cold water or the warm water is okay. And then you add some sugar. This is a cane sugar. It's the ratio is maybe like 4 or 5 scoop of spoon, right? But I'm gonna add one spoon because I'm really like the sweet. So after that, you need some. This is palm sugar. It's traditional palm sugar in Indonesia. You can find in the traditional market. The price is really cheap in here. So you use like 20 gram or 30 gram. It depends of you. But I'm gonna use a little bit, maybe like a 20 gram only, because I don't want the syrup gonna be so dark. So we just use a little bit of sugar, of palm sugar. Okay, this is the special thing. So we add the vanilla bean, right? This vanilla bean has growing in the farm, original our farm. It's made from the traditional farmer, made from the vanilla orchid, the kind of one of the most flavoring plants in the world. You can find everything. Use the vanilla taste. It's like it's ice cream, milk of vanilla vodka. You can find everywhere. So this is the vanilla taste is from this one, right? So in the back of me, in the backyard, you can see this is the vanilla plants we have growing in our farm. So today we use these plants. So this is we need some knife. Just cut in the middle of the vanilla bean. After you cut, you can open it. This is the vanilla seed. You can smell. It's like a vanilla, but it's really strong. So after we cut it, we spare it out, and then you can put to your back knife. You take the vanilla seed, right? This is the most expensive flavoring food in the world. You can find in everywhere. The mostly country produce the vanilla bean is like Madagascar, Indonesia. But the difference, we grow the vanilla bean. It's literally purely organic. So we're gonna use it for our syrup, right? Damn, it's really good one. Just take all of the seed and put it in there. Okay guys, this is the skin of vanilla. You cannot just throw it. You can use it as a garnish or something aromatic for your tea or your coffee, but we're gonna put it inside because we want to add some flavoring of vanilla. It's getting strong. How to use it? Just tie it like that. Right? Let's put it up. Now we use a low heat. We cook with low heat, very low, and then just stir it up slowly until it's starting boiling.
So guys, it's gonna be long time, so we put some drama on this video.
So Dr. Tugu, it's long time we have never seen, right? What you mostly busy for now? What you activity for the mostly of the moms?
We haven't seen like a month, yeah? Yeah, maybe 1 month. So what you gonna do? Still busy for the coffee or something? Oh, for the beverage is just need more, maybe 1 or 2 months for the end of the pandemic, I think. So guys, if you wanna visit Indonesia, we're very open with our country now, so you can visit this. You can visit us. The place name is Lombok. This is the West Lombok, the location in Batu Layar village. You can visit us if you wanna ask or you can wanna buy our product vanilla syrup. Just don't hesitate to call us, okay? I will put our number in the description. So this gonna be the special drink, doctor. It's a good one. So we're gonna mix the syrup with the coffee. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, you can smell the aromatic, yeah? The aromatic syrup is a good one. It's starting. Just use the low heat because we don't wanna cook it overcook. I mean. So it's slowly. It's like my life. It's getting slowly. You must be wrong for that. Okay. So we can use that. You can try. Yeah.
Of course, you can try. Oh, guys, we're gonna make this syrup with this coffee. This is our best coffee. It's original. It's natural coffee. It's robusta, but it's a different robusta. It's like the bigger one. The taste is really good. You can taste like a natural taste because we're roasting it with the traditional method. Hey guys, this is a coffee, our coffee, right? Hey.
Adi,
Yep.
it's correct. I moved my hand like this,
Yeah, it's right.
like this one,
Yeah.
or this one.
No, it's not make a difference, make a different taste. But if you better is, you can move like that. It's more easy for you, your hand.
Or like this one.
Yeah, it's not really make any difference. Okay, guys, it's starting melted. The sugar already melted, so maybe you can stop a little moment. You can see maybe it's starting boiling now. You can see it's starting boiling. We don't gonna be this overcooked, so you can turn off the heat. All right, you can see, guys, it's the color is like gold. It's like a whiskey. So we gonna rest it off a moment. We gonna waiting it for the cold, and then we want to move it to the filtering and move it to the bottle. Okay guys, it's already cold, so we're gonna move it to the bottle, but first we're gonna filter it. So here we are. We already have a vanilla syrup, a homemade vanilla syrup. For now, we gonna keep it in the mostly like a 5 days, and then it's will be ready to serve or to mix with your drink. But it's gonna be long time. We already have the ready one. This is the vanilla syrup. we made 1 week ago. So we're gonna mix it with our coffee. This one. This is a natural cold brew coffee. We already fermented like 2 days or 48 hours. So now we're gonna mix to our food. Let's check it out. First of all, we need some cup, and then we put some ice on it. Just use like a little bit of ice, and then put some milk inside it. And then we put our cold brew coffee. This is homemade cold brew coffee already in 48 hours. So we're gonna put it, we mix it. You can see, guys, the color grading is really nice. Okay, after that we put some vanilla syrup. This is the homemade vanilla syrup, already weeks, guys. So this is a aged vanilla syrup, like aged beef. Okay, there we are. Our cold brew coffee mixed with vanilla syrup, all ready to serve. Let's taste. Cheers. Different
I
kind.
think it's more better than a popular brand, you know.
Yeah, you know the S, initial with S, the first letter. It's good, right? It's healthy and good.
The vanilla have a strong smell.
Yeah. Also, the sugar is not too sweet, right?
Yeah, not too sweet.
So, guys, the taste is really different. It's like similar like the brand with the S letter,
Yeah.
the drink, but it's more healthy because we made it from 100% organic. And I want to put the recipe on the description. So guys, we're gonna see you in another video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, and share. See you in another video in Made in Lombok.